How to do video chat on Instagram, step-by-step guide. With Instagram's messaging options, you may video chat with as much as 6 Instagram followers or FB buddies in your iOS or Android gadget. Instagram additionally enables you to create a room, the place you may share a hyperlink to a Messenger video chat with as much as 50 buddies who need not have Instagram, Messenger, or FB. Here is the way it works. With Instagram's built-in messaging performance, you may use Messenger by way of Instagram to ship direct messages or video chats to each Instagram followers and FB buddies. Find out how to begin a video chat on Instagram. Be sure you're working the newest model of the Instagram app in your iPhone or Android gadget. Open Instagram in your cellular gadget and faucet the messenger icon on the highest proper. Faucet the video digital camera icon. Scroll by means of the record of steered buddies or sort a reputation below invite to video chat. For those who scroll down, you may see an inventory of instructed FB buddies with whom it's also possible to video chat. They do not want an Instagram account so that you can video chat with them. Your video chat can embrace a mixture of Instagram followers and FB buddies. For those who seek for somebody, Instagram will current choices of individuals you observe on Instagram, your Instagram followers, FB buddies, and other people on Instagram who match your search title. Faucet an individual so as to add them to your video chat. You may invite as much as 6 folks. To take away somebody out of your video chat, faucet the Again button in your keyboard, then faucet the X subsequent to their title. While you're prepared, faucet Begin to start your video chat. Throughout your video chat, faucet Results so as to add enjoyable filters and results, faucet Media to incorporate a photograph or video, or faucet Add so as to add an individual to your chat, when you're not already at 6 folks. Faucet the X to finish a video chat. Faucet the Decrease button on the high left, which appears to be like a square inside a square, to reduce the video chat and proceed searching Instagram. After you begin a video chat, enter that chat group at any time by tapping the chat in your Messenger exercise record. Within the title this group field, sort a reputation on your video chat group. To start out one other chat with this group, faucet the video digital camera icon. You may also sort a message, ship a voice message, or ship a photograph at any time by way of the message box. Tap any present Instagram dialog, then faucet the video digital camera, to begin a video chat. Find out how to begin a messenger chat room in Instagram. If you need a bigger group video chat, contemplate beginning a messenger room. In a messenger room, you may share a hyperlink to a video chat with as much as 50 buddies. Your contributors do not even must have Instagram, Messenger, or FB. You may want a FB account to begin a messenger room in Instagram. Open Instagram in your cellular gadget and faucet the messenger icon on the highest proper. Faucet Create Room. You may see a message explaining that you will be creating this room below your FB profile. To proceed, faucet Create Room as your name. Faucet Ship subsequent to any Instagram or FB buddies you wish to obtain the hyperlink, or seek for a good friend. Faucet Share hyperlink to electronic mail or textual content. The room hyperlink to somebody who is not on Instagram or FB. While you've dispatched the hyperlink to your contributors, faucet Be a part of room on Messenger. You may be taken to your Messenger room, the place you may await your video chat recipients. If you do not need to obtain Instagram video chats, chances are you'll not wish to take part in a video chat. Whilst you can actually not reply the decision, when you do not wish to obtain any video chat invites from somebody, contemplate blocking the Instagram user. For those who'd moderately not be contacted by way of Instagram video or direct messaging by somebody on FB, restrict FB interplay by way of Instagram settings. Here is cease FB buddies from messaging you by way of Instagram. Out of your account web page, faucet menu, 3 traces. Faucet privateness. Faucet messages. Faucet FB buddies or folks you've got chatted with on Messenger. Faucet do not obtain requests. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.